Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel.
Your love is real love, that good type of love. Yeah.
It is your girl Becca, and today I'm going to be teaching you how I achieve this hairstyle. Cornrows in the front, twists in the back, you know the vibes. I really have a confession to make, okay? So I forgot to record the ending last week, so this hairstyle has been in my head for a week now. We still cute, we're still gonna get the job done. If you're interested in knowing how I achieve this style, which I know you are, make sure you keep watching.
First, you're gonna need 3 packs of free tress water wave. I bought 5 packs but only ended up using 3. Some rubber bands, hair oil, lock and twist, or some hair jam, and a bundle of human hair if you want a boho look, but this is completely optional. Once you take the water wave hair out of the pack, you can fluff it out, but not too much because you still need some definition. And I used about 3 strands of the curls per twist. However, depending on how thick or small you want your twist, you can add less or more. Now take the rubber bands and coat them with an oil to protect your hair from drying out, and it gives the braiding hair something to grip onto. Once again, this part is optional, but if you have the human hair, take some scissors and cut it in a downward motion near the track instead of bluntly across. Take some of that lock and twist and apply it only at the base of the human hair. This is going to help the hair blend into the twist. Then separate the human hair into the amount of pieces you like throughout the twist. I usually do about 3 pieces. I always start with 5 rows in the back of my hair, and I like to pre-part my rows just to save myself some time, and it has honestly made such a difference. I also pre-part my hair before installing the hair, and I add the lock and twist to my part for a clean look. I then begin to braid only the roots of my hair because I tried to crochet it in and instantly regretted it. Once I have the amount of braids for that row, I take the rubber band and I wrap it around the base of my braid so the water wave hair can have something to grip onto because it is somewhat silky. Once you place the water wave hair at the base of your braid, you want to make sure it is snug before you start braiding. After about 2 inches of braiding, you want to begin twisting both strands of the hair in opposite directions around each other. That's how you're going to get the hair to stay wrapped and not come unloose. It's not your typical 2-strand twist, so just keep that in mind. Now this part is optional, but when placing the human hair into the twist, it is the same concept as feeding in braiding hair. You want to isolate the human hair to one side, then clip it out of the way and remain twisting the hair so it doesn't get caught up and it stands out. When ending the twist, I stop about 2 inches before the end and twist it as one would regularly 2-strand twist their hair. Once again, you're just going to repeat this process, and I want to point out that I did not use any rubber bands on the last row closest to the crown of my head, and I kept reapplying the lock and twist on my hair and the water wave hair just so it blends together and there aren't any frizzy pieces. Once again, I did pre-part and pre-braid the cornrows because I wanted to make sure my parts were even. Then I began applying the lock and twist to ensure my parts were clean, and then I started prepping my hair and the water wave hair. I also want to point out that I used expressions hair for the braids on my scalp. Section a small piece of hair before braiding because it helps better with the grip when starting the braid. I'm also making sure that I grab every piece of hair from the sides because sometimes there is a couple of strands left behind. And then I begin to feed in the braiding hair for some thickness, and I used about 3 to 4 pieces of braiding hair. To begin the twisting process, grab the water wave hair and feed it in, then begin twisting it in the opposite direction just as you did in the back, and continue that process through the length of the hair.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you're gonna wear this hairstyle. Where to? Like, are you going on vacation? Are you going to a wedding? You just want to switch it up? Let me know in the comments, okay?
If you learned something new, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.
And you all know, until next time, bye.
Your love is real love, like a type of